Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the boss update. The boss Bitcoin is the boss, right? So 15 minutes time frame has formed up something for us to talk about, and let's talk about this very quickly. So the trend line has come up here with this lower support first of all. So you have one supported line here, supported touches right there, support in there, and right now you're bouncing off the support and you're bouncing off pretty well. You have actually came down and you've maintained the prices at this point of time. So there it is. You have actually made a nice beautiful closing. So the idea is to maybe go back here and move up to 94,747. Then from there we're going to see if you actually get rejection, you are going to go down. So maybe we'll do something where you take a few stop losses here and then go down, maybe to correct towards 90,000, because that's the technical target out of this particular triangle that you have right now, or break above for good and actually continue on to move to $99,000. So this could actually be a small correction. I think the market can get bullish until next month. And speaking of next month, we are very close to close April. And also this April candle, look at that, it's actually green. Okay, it is green. So when you start May, expect a little bit of a correction down and maybe try to go and end up being green. So I think it will be better to hold your trades in April, in these last remaining days of April, and maybe by the first 2 weeks or the first week of May, you may actually get some good entries when the market takes a correction in the beginning of the month. Because when you make a bullish candles, you will have a tiny little bit of a move down and then eventually make a green candle, if you are going to make a green candle, especially after forming up the morning star. And the EMAs are held. Man, I mean, the EMAs are still completely respected for Bitcoin. I'm just going to bring the logarithmic scale here. So you can see that ever since we started this bull cross back in 2023, I guess. So you started the bull cross on the monthly and you went up, you came down, you retested perfectly, and then you shoot up a little bit and then you retested. I think somewhere down the road you're about to see a $200,000 Bitcoin. Call me crazy or whatever you want to call me, but I have a very big feeling that 200K to 250K this year alone is gonna happen. It's unbelievable, and that's the reason why I believe it should happen. A bull run, I still believe a bull run, massive one, is about to happen, and I think alt season are just very close, really close. Maybe I'm the only one who's left as a positive guy today, but yes, I am positive. There are so many things I've seen, and there's so many ideas that still have not been invalidated for a bull run. So something is cooking, something is definitely going on. I think even with this drop that happened, maybe it was just to shake off a lot of people and make them run away, be scared. A lot of people are going to sell off thinking that, okay, we cannot take this anymore, we're stuck in here, let's actually remove the money that we have saved. And then eventually at some point, I think the summers are going to be hot, both environmentally and in crypto as well. But that's pretty much it for the video. At least in the short term, you can actually take advantage of this little pattern. If you love 3.4% or 4% gains, then I think you should check this pattern, wait for the breaks, and put a stop loss, take a trade, get the hell out, take your money, and enjoy your time. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.